Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can give the gradient for CSS. So, we'll directly go to the video. There are two types of gradient, linear gradient and radial gradient. So first we'll go with the linear gradient. Here, as usual, I wrote symbol code, which is having just HTML declaration, head style part declaration, then body declaration, just one heading gradient. Then I made a division here with a ID of grade. So that ID I called here as a hashtag, then ID name, so that this will be applicable in this particular ID. So here we are going with the, in this ID hashtag gradient, we are going with the gradient. So here for giving gradient, first we need to declare some, we'll declare some width and height, so that will be look neat. So width will give something 200 pixel. Now we'll give the height as same 200 pixel will give. Now we'll make it this little up, so that this will be look little neat. So here we are going with the for providing gradient color, we are not using background color. Instead of background color, we are using background image itself. Background image. Here we are going to give our declaration, that is linear gradient or radial gradient. So I'm just going with the linear gradient. In this we can give some colors. We'll just see red and green here. We'll say this one, we'll come here, we'll refresh. You guys can see here gradients. Then I given subscribe the channel paragraph in the ID of grade, so that is reflected here. Then a gradient which is having red and green color. Here you can see red and green color. So we'll come here and we'll give one more color. That time we'll see what will happen. Sorry. So here we'll give something like yellow. We'll save this one. You can see yellow, then I given red, then I given green. Here you can see yellow, red, then green key. You can see the center, at the center that red color is there. So if you want, we can give one more color. Just we'll give blue. We'll save this one. We'll come here and we'll see. See, you can see the 4 color. Like that you can give how many colors you want. Then next we'll see how we can give particular angles. I'm just deleting 2 colors. Now I will show you how we can give different angles. So here linear gradient, 2 colors we given. Before giving the 2 colors, we need to declare some angle. We'll see the angle. Yeah, before that I will show you. I'm just removing the comma with intentionally. Why we given here background color? There is here you can see there is no red in the background, and in this that background color we are giving for the particular ID, that division. So if anything happen to this linear gradient instruction, that time the red color will be reflected there. So we'll save this one and I will show you. Refresh. There I didn't given the comma, so that 180 degree after that comma is required, I didn't given, so that instruction is wrong. So the red color is reflected in this box. That's why we are giving this red color. Actually that we are giving for if any web browser is not supporting the linear gradient or radial gradient instruction, that time the background will be in the red. So we'll give the comma, we'll save this one, then we'll come here, we'll refresh. You can see at 180 degree the red and green. So we'll change this one to 80 degree. We'll see what will happen. Refresh. See, you guys can see this is rotated to 80 degree. Like that we can give how we want. We'll give 10 degree and we'll see how this will be in the 10 degree. that is like this it will be there. This is how we are going to give the angle for linear or radial gradient. That will be same. Linear and radial gradients as this inside the bracket everything is same only. Just instead of linear, that we need to give radial. That I will show you. I will show you. Now we'll see some other. We'll give here to bottom, then right. Red and green only we are giving. We'll say this one. We'll see what will happen here. You can see this is in the diagonal. Red is there, green is there, but that is in the diagonal. I think we'll change the color here. Yellow will take on. Then we'll take blue. We'll say this one. You can see here yellow and blue. That's in the diagonal. So for coming the diagonal, we can give to bottom, then right. So next we'll see only to right we'll give and see what will happen. We'll say this one, then we'll come here and we'll see. Only if you are giving the right, then from the right that will start, then the left it will end. First color which we given, that is RGB 255 2510, that's almost yellow. So that is there in the left side, then it will go to right. So to right means that will go to right. Same way, if you are giving the left means, then that will go, first color will go to left. That will be in ulta. If you are giving the right to right, this yellow will be first, blue will be left. If you are giving left to left, then this first color is moving towards left. Last color will be going to left. Then first color will be starting from the right. You can see here that is starting from first color will be start from the right, then that will move to the left. If you are giving ulta to right means this will start from the left and move to right. So that is to how we can give diagonal, then starting from left to right and right to left, how we can give. Now we can go with I think radial. So I will show you how we can give radial gradients. Symbol we need to change to radial. Radial gradient. We'll say this one and we'll come here. We'll refresh. You can see this radial. Here that yellow, how it's the yellow, then the blue spread it. Here same way we can give a circle. If you are giving circle, then what will happen we'll see. That is in the circle itself. Then circle will give one more color, red will give. Then we'll see this one. We'll come here. You can see the circle, this yellow, you can see here, this is in the circle path. So this is called, if you are giving the circle, then this will be like this. So now I hope you guys understood the difference between linear gradient and radial gradients. So next we'll go with the radial gradient only, some difference. Yeah, here we can give red and yellow is there, then blue is there. So we'll give some colors, I mean percentage. We'll give for red, will give something 10 percentage. Yellow will keep like that. Blue will give something other. Will give something 15 percentage. We'll save this one. We'll come here. We'll refresh. See, here you can see the difference if you are giving the percentage. This is how if you are giving the percentage. So we'll give here also 1% and we'll see what will happen. This is just for checking. We'll save this one and we'll come here and refresh. You can see what will happen. This is how we can give different percentage and we can adjust the gradients. Next we'll take we'll keep red like this only, and then we'll give here 10 percentage. We'll save this one and we'll see what will happen. You can see this will be like this. Now I will show you another one more thing. This we saw normal radial gradients. Here we'll give something repeating radial gradient. Repeating radial gradient will give. Can see here repeating radial gradient. Here one controllers. We'll save this one and we'll see. This is how the repeating radial gradient will looks. This will be repeat all the circle. In a this is a radial, so this will be in the circle form. Form. So the red, yellow, green is repeating. Then red, yellow, green is repeated here, here, here. This is how that will be in the repeating form. So this is the radial gradient in the repeating. Then see here you can give the, if you want you can give something like RGB, instead of RGB we can give Vibgyor, then it will be look like rainbow color, and how you want that color, everything you can give and you can decide the gradient in your website. This is just for understanding how we can give the gradients in the website. I given the basic structure and basic idea of how we can give the gradient and different method to give the gradient by percentage or circle or repeating and everything. So I hope you guys understood the video. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel